Cattle usually calve in the spring, so in preparation for this the farmer has been rounding them up. Rather than chase the cows around, which would not be good for their unborn calves, the farmer is trying to lure them out of the field by letting them see their food. See if it works. Success! It's working! Even though the farmer has to keep dropping a bit of food on the floor, the cows are now following him. Except these ones, they're having none of it. They're stood watching the farmer from the middle of the field. What do you think they're saying? Whilst cattle are happy having their calves outside, bringing them inside just makes it safer and easier for the farmer to monitor this important event. You can keep following our countdown to calving either via our website or on Twitter. Pigs can have their baby piglets all year round. Pigs giving birth is called farrowing. Most pigs farrow inside. We saw pregnant sows being kept and fed in large groups. The sow's pregnancy or gestation lasts 114 days. That's 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. The sows we saw were mated with a boar on the 15th of October, so when will they be due to farrow? About a week before they are due to farrow, the sows are taken out of the straw yards and moved to special farrowing houses. The farrowing houses are kept warm for the newborn piglets, and the sows are kept in special farrowing crates. The sows are kept in farrowing crates so that they don't accidentally lay on the pigs, injuring or even killing them. Having the sow in these crates also makes it easier for the farmer to tend the newborn piglets, giving them injections to keep them healthy. Pigs can farrow outside in special huts or farrowing arks. This is better for the sow as she is not confined, but it does mean that more of the piglets can be accidentally crushed. A sow can weigh over 250 kilograms, or they can die from cold. Did you work out when the sow was due to farrow? Oh, it's now! This sow is now farrowing, and she will have anywhere between 10 to 15 piglets in a very short time. The piglets are soon on their feet and feeding themselves. How old were you when you first walked and made your own tea? In the coming weeks we will follow these piglets as they grow up.